Hello, I am N.K.Jha from APS. Yesterday, I had taught you subject, verb, and other words. Today, I will teach you tense. So, firstly, we have to know what is tense. What is tense? Times, tense indicates the time of action. Tense indicates the time of action. In present, past, and future. So let us discuss the tense in details. एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से समझते हैं कि प्रेजेंट टेंस क्या होता है, पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है, फ्यूचर टेंस क्या होता है. जस्ट थ्रू एग्जाम्पल हम लोग समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. आई read a book. I read a book. Number one. Example number two. You played a match. You played a match. I shall teach you. Imagine, in first sentence, word we read. In first sentence, word we read refers to present. Similarly, in second sentence, verb played refers to past, and in sentence 3, example number 3, shall teach, verb shall teach refers to future. So, through verb, you can estimate the sentence is taken from which part of tense. The first one in present or past or future. The second is in present or in past. And third is in future and in past. We have to understand, and we have to analyze through structures, through concept. So first one is in present tense, and the second example is in past tense, and the third example is in future tense, because verb refers to the time of action. Okay? Now we have to discuss the present tense. We have to discuss the present tense. Note. A verb that refers to present time a verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. This is number one. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. Just like example, I teach you a lesson. I teach you a lesson. Here teach refers to present tense, present time. So this is present tense. Number two, a verb that refers to time in past is said to be in the past tense. A verb that refers to time in past is said to be in the past tense. एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से समझते हैं. He taught me grammar. He taught me grammar. Verb refers for past. So it is indicating the sentence is related from past tense. Now, note number 3. A verb that refers a verb that refers refers a verb that refers the action in future, the time in future, is said to be in the future. Said to be in future. A verb that refers time in future is said to be in the future tense. Just like example, I shall teach you. I shall teach you. This is the definition of present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay? Now, let us discuss about present tense. Present tense is divided into 4 parts. Number 1, present indefinite. Number 1, present indefinite. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट क्या होता है, कैसे हम लोग समझेंगे कि यह प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट है। ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोगों को याद रखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज टेंस इज द बैकबोन ऑफ इंग्लिश। सो थ्रू एग्जाम्पल हम लोग समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। वी शैल ट्राई to understand through examples how we can analyze the sentence is taken from present indefinite or not. Example: he goes to market. Second example: you teach him English. I have taken 2 examples. Through examples I will try to make out you, the sentence is taken from present indefinite. So firstly we have to break the sentence, and after breaking we have to analyze from structures, from English structures like subject plus first form, fifth form plus object. Subject plus first form plus fifth form plus object. We have to analyze through it. So we have to break firstly the sentence, and after that we have to find out if the sentence is taken from present indefinite or not. This is subject, this one verb, or this is other words. This is other words. Today I am discussing also other words. It is very necessary part for the students. So it is very important. We have to understand it is must for you how you will calculate the parts of other words, because it is divided in two groups. Number one, objects, and number two, complement. So subject, verb, other words, whenever you will find and the sentence will be in present indefinite. No, so this is verb form and verb fifth form. This is fifth form of the verb. Now tell it. This is subject, this is fifth form of the verb, and this is other words. This is other words. And I have a question. This other words indicates to object or complement? But firstly, you have to calculate by the help of a structure. If a structure will tally from sentence, and you can tell it easily, the sentence is taken from present indefinite. So subject is coming, fifth form of the verb is also, and other words also. So I can tell it easily, the first sentence is taken from present indefinite. Now number two, you. This is subject, teach. This is first form of the verb. This one, the other words. So tally now, subject, verb first form, other words. And this one, the second example, and also taken from present indefinite. So I want to give you a message. Whenever like the structure subject plus first form, oblique fifth form, plus other words will be given in sentence, that sentence is certainly taken from present indefinite. Without any hesitation, you can tell the sentence is taken from present indefinite, because the structure is proving it. Subject, fifth form, object, subject, first form, object. And mention note where you can apply first form and where you can apply फिफ्थ फॉर्म। फर्स्ट फॉर्म आप अप्लाई कहाँ कर सकते हैं? फिफ्थ फॉर्म आप किस सेंटेंस में किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ अप्लाई करते हैं? जब सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट आई, वी, यू, दे और more than one subject दिया हुआ हो, is given, then you have to apply first form when I, we, you, they or more than one subject is given, then you have to apply first form of the first form given in the sentence. तो हम लोगों को क्या अप्लाई करना है? फर्स्ट फॉर्म इन द सेंटेंस, जस्ट लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेचर ऑफ द सेंटेंस you can see the example number 2 is given here and the subject is you. So always with you in present indefinite we have to apply first form of the verb. Note number 2. रेस्ट सब्जेक्ट के साथ दुनिया में जो भी और बच गए इनके अलावा सब्जेक्ट, उसके साथ हम लोग फिफ्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का यूज करते हैं। क्या यूज करते हैं? फिफ्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का यूज करते हैं। कंडीशन यह है कि सेंटेंस हमारा कहाँ होना चाहिए? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में होना चाहिए। कहाँ होना चाहिए? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में होना चाहिए। और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में जब सेंटेंस होगा तो उसकी स्ट्रक्चर होगी सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑब्लिक फिफ्थ फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, वेयर यू हैव टू यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड वेयर यू हैव टू यूज फिफ्थ फॉर्म you have to decide after reading the notes. After reading the notes, when the sentence begins with subject I, we, you, they, or more than one subject is given, then you have to apply first form of the verb in the sentence. Clear? Number 2, notes रेस्ट सब्जेक्ट के साथ रेस्ट सब्जेक्ट इनको छोड़ करके जो भी बच गए दुनिया में, उनके साथ फिफ्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करेंगे। ओके, क्लियर? So it is very very important topic. I mean to say, we have to read it very nicely, concentrate it very nicely, because by the help of tense structures and tense pattern, we can easily understand the whole theme of English. Number 2, students have to concentrate the concept, because it is very very important, and it will provide you a lot of confidence, and once you will be habituated of on class, then you can improve yourself. So firstly you have to be positive. Through positive you can concentrate each and everything, each and every concept, because concept is very very important for all of you, and through concept you can understand easily. Okay, so very very important topic given by me, and I hope you will read it very accurately, and reading after, have you any problem? If you fail, then you can give message to me, or you can ask me all those problems. Okay, thank you very much, and thanks. आगे वीडियो देखिए।